G'day cocktail lovers. I recently shared my misadventures with trying to make a Vegemite flavoured vodka. That was me messing about in my kitchen. But would a professional Australian distiller attempt to distill Vegemite? Yes they would. This was created a little while ago by the Archie Rose Distillery in Sydney, where their mates at Papisalia and Sonoma, we've created a hot buttered toast spirit blended with a generous smear of our favourite yeast extract spreads, served in savoury classics. So they're suggesting like do a Bloody Mary or salty, dirty Martini with it. This has basically been impossible to get for a while. It's a very limited thing. You know the say about, a good friend will help you move, a really good friend will help you move bodies, then that friend might remember you helped them move a body and they'll do you a deal, and some more bodies and burials might be involved, but you end up with something that's been impossible to get for a while. And I've been dying to try this on camera. I have not actually tasted this yet. I want you to see my genuine reaction to it on camera. Does it really taste like buttered Vegemite on toast? It actually has a distinctive Vegemite smell, but not in a bad way, not the terrible garbagey way my Vegemite vodka smelled. Of course, now I need to taste it. It's actually quite pleasant. It's certainly got that savoury edge. Even to me it tastes slightly herbal. And it's in this weird limbo between vodka and gin. I think it doesn't have juniper in it, which is why they didn't call it gin. And of course it's quite heavily flavoured, so they don't call it vodka. So I feel it's like it started as a neutral spirit and then was distilled with the other ingredients, secret as they might be. I guess I need to follow their advice. Now I'm going to try it in a martini. I'll keep it simple and whip this up quickly. 2 ounces of the Archimite, half an ounce of dry vermouth, 2 dashes of orange bitters, stir that on ice, strain it into a chilled martini glass, and here I have a Vegetini. Let's see if it's better than my Vegemite vodka drink. Actually, the vermouth goes really well. It's actually really pleasant. I was thoroughly expecting this to provoke a reaction similar to my Vegemite vodka. But hey, I guess that's the difference between a professional distiller and some clown messing about in their kitchen. So I'm just sharing with you, this is basically impossible to get. If you were my pal, I'd invite you around and you could maybe have a taste, if that was to your fancy. Otherwise, you can just take my word for it. It's actually pretty good. A friend declared a whole bunch of words that are often used with spirits and cocktails to be too wanky to use. But this one definitely has minerality, and Kirsten will doubtless make me do a punishment shot for even saying that word at some point. It's very interesting. Just goes to show there's a lot of creativity in the world of distilling. Look around. You never know what you'll find. Hope you find something good, and I hope to see you here again sometime soon. I'm going to finish off my Vegemite Martini, and until I see you again, I'll say cheers.